Today, we're diving into one of the most active markets in the world, Forex trading. If you're based in the UK and are looking for the best FCA-regulated Forex brokers, this video is for you. At Investing in the Web, our mission is to help you find the trading platform that fits your needs, whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned trader. We've been following and reviewing investment platforms for years now, so if you're on the hunt for the best Forex broker in the UK, or still undecided on which one to choose, stick around. Also, do note that we've opened and deposited into most of these platforms ourselves. On our channel, you can find in-depth broker reviews, including how to open an account, deposit funds, and start investing step by step. If you want to read our full analysis, check our article on investingintheweb.com, link in the description below. So first things first, what makes a good Forex broker? Among the most critical factors that you might want to check are regulation. It is the most important criteria, as you must ensure that the company is legit before transferring your money. Please check it is registered or directly supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority. As such, we recommend that you never open an account with an unregulated broker. Remember that safe beats cheap, so it's important that you choose a provider that you can trust years down the line. For a list of brokers we do not recommend, you can visit our full list of brokers and filter by not approved. Commissions. Good brokers usually offer tight spreads and low commission. In addition, they should be transparent in their overall pricing structure. Trading platform. A good Forex broker offers a dedicated Forex trading platform with dedicated tools to analyze different currency pairs, including MT4, MT5, CTrader, or proprietary platforms with real-time charts and mobile access. Ease of deposits and withdrawals. Fast, secure, and no hidden fees. And obviously, a good customer support and education tools. Alright, let's jump into our top UK Forex brokers. Let's start with our first choice, Interactive Brokers. It is one of the biggest brokers internationally and lets you trade more than 100 currency pairs on 24 currencies, with spreads as narrow as 1/10 pip. The commissions are very low. The maximum you will pay is 0.2 BPS times the trade size. That's 0.002% with no hidden spreads or markups. Their trading platform, the Trader Workstation, TWS, offers a dedicated tool to trade Forex. FCA-regulated. It offers excellent customization, advanced technical indicators, and fundamental trading tools, which are ideal for professional traders and easy to use by beginners as well. It is regulated by several financial authorities around the world, such as the SEC in the US, FCA in the UK, and ASIC in Australia. The second on our list is Pepperstone. We consider it the best MT4 and MT5 broker. Founded in 2010, has positioned itself as one of the largest Forex and CFD brokers, helping over 750,000 retail trading accounts worldwide. With 90 plus currency pairs, spreads starting from 0.0 pips, and super fast execution, it's a top choice for active traders. It's even endorsed by the r/Forex subreddit, the largest Forex community on the internet, alongside Interactive Brokers, which further attests to its credibility in the Forex community. It offers both Razor and standard accounts, one with commission-based pricing and one with spreads included. It has a UK-based customer support team available 24/7 during the week. Pepperstone operates under strict regulations from top-tier authorities like ASIC and FCA, reinforcing its dedication to providing a secure and trustworthy trading environment. The broker offers various trading platforms, including MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and TradingView, with features such as advanced charting and automated trading. The next broker on our list is Capital.com, one of the most user-friendly Forex platforms available in the UK. Founded in 2016, it has grown rapidly and now serves hundreds of thousands of traders worldwide. With access to 120 plus Forex pairs, transparent spreads, and FCA regulation, it's a strong choice for UK residents who want a clean, modern trading experience. Capital.com offers commission-free trading, although other fees apply. Spreads on major pairs are highly competitive, with Euro to USD available from 0.4 pips, and execution is an average 0.014 seconds, according to Capital.com's internal servers from January to October 2025. The broker supports multiple trading platforms, including its intuitive web and mobile app, TradingView, and MetaTrader 4 integration, giving traders access to advanced charting, smart risk management tools, and automation features. For beginners, Capital.com also includes an education hub, in-app news, and a demo account with virtual funds, so users can practice trading risk-free. On fourth position comes XTB, an international online broker with over 1 million customers worldwide, offering UK traders access to 60+ currency pairs with competitive spreads starting from 0.8 pips. XTB is particularly strong when it comes to education and trader development. Its extensive library of courses, webinars, market commentary, and trading tutorials makes it a standout choice for beginners who want to build solid FX knowledge, as well as more experienced traders looking to refine their strategies. It has a very transparent fee structure, allowing you to easily analyze the fees you will pay in advance. The broker offers 2 proprietary platforms, XStation 5, desktop and web, and XStation Mobile, both known for their speed, clean interface, and advanced charting capabilities. The last broker is eToro, a well-known trading platform in the UK that combines Forex trading with powerful social trading features. Founded in 2007, it has grown into one of the largest multi-asset platforms globally, attracting millions of users and offering a straightforward way for UK residents to access major and minor currency pairs. eToro offers commission-free Forex trading, with costs built into the spread. Spreads on popular pairs like GBP to USD are competitive, and UK traders can benefit from smooth execution on both the web platform and mobile app, designed for ease of use and fast trade placement. Where eToro stands out is its social and copy trading tools, allowing users to follow and copy other experienced Forex traders. The platform provides advanced charting, sentiment tools, and a built-in education academy, along with a free, unlimited demo account to practice strategies before trading live. In this table, we show you a side-by-side comparison of all the brokers mentioned. And that's it! Let us know in the comments below which Forex broker you think is best, and feel free to check the full article on investingintheweb.com, link in the description below. There you'll find our full analysis and comparison so you can read more details. Thank you for watching.